Good morning, children. Today, let us learn about Venn diagram. Okay, a Venn diagram is a way of classifying groups of objects with the same properties. Okay, typically, a Venn diagram has two or three circles that intersect each other. There is also a space outside the circles where the objects that do not fit any of the properties can go. The diagram below shows you how a Venn diagram with two circles works. A Venn diagram is a way of classifying groups of objects with the same properties. ഒരേ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് ഉള്ള ഒരേ സ്വഭാവമുള്ള കുറേ ഒബ്ജക്ട്സ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഇതിനെയൊക്കെ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ഡയഗ്രമാണ് വെൻ ഡയഗ്രാം. യൂഷ്വലി ഇറ്റ് ഹാസ് 2 or 3 സർക്കിൾസ് ദാറ്റ് ഇൻ്റർസെക്റ്റ് ഈച്ച് അതർ. സർക്കിൾസാണ് നമ്മൾ യൂഷ്വലി യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക, ബട്ട് ഓവൽ ഷേപ്പും നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. And there is also a space outside the circles where objects that do not fit any of the properties can go. ഈ ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് സർക്കിൾസിൽ നമ്മൾ ഈ സർക്കിൾസിൽ രണ്ടിലും വരാത്ത നമ്പേഴ്സാണ് എഴുതുക. ഈ രണ്ട് സർക്കിൾസും നമ്മളൊരു റെക്റ്റാങ്കിളിനകത്താണ് വരയ്ക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, സോ എ ലാർജ് റെക്റ്റാങ്കിൾ ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ് ടു റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ഓൾ നമ്പേഴ്സ്. ലാർജ് റെക്റ്റാങ്കിൾ is used to represent all numbers. Okay, and all the other numbers are in two circles. Here objects here are in set A but not set B. നമ്മളിവിടെ നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെ രണ്ട് സെറ്റ് ആക്കിയിട്ട് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന സെറ്റ് A and set B. Okay, here the objects are in set A but not set B. ഈ പോർഷനിൽ എന്താ വരിക? The objects are in set A but not set B. In this portion, the objects are in set B but not in set A. In this portion, objects here are in both set A and set B. Okay, so this portion represents the objects in only set A, and this portion the objects only in set B, and here inside this the objects or numbers both in set A and set B. Okay, and this outside the circle, in this portion, objects are not in set A and set B. Okay, let me show you this with an example, children. Here, put the 8 numbers in the correct places in both Venn diagrams. Okay, so first check the sets. First, greater than 500, then even numbers. So ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ ക്ലാസിഫൈ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. So let us find out the numbers which are greater than 500. Greater than 500. Our first number is 260, which is less than 500. 172 less than 500. 531 greater than 500. 531. Next, 285 less than 500. 136 less than 500. 483 less than 500. 28 greater than 500. 728. Next, 901 greater than 500. Okay, now next group is for even numbers. Even numbers. Which are the even numbers here? What are even numbers? The numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. Okay, so check the last digit of each number. Here 260 ends with 0, so it is an even number. Next, 172 ends with 2, even number. Next, 531 ends with 1, so it is not an even number. 285 ends with 5, not an even number. 136 ends with 6, so it is an even number. Next 483 ends with 3, not an even number. Next 728 ends with 8, so even number. Okay. Next 901 ends with 1, so it is not an even number. So which are the even numbers here, children? 260, 172, 136 and 728. These are the even numbers. Okay. And now find which are the numbers not in these two groups. The numbers which are not in these two groups are 285 and 483. Okay. Now we can classify the numbers. Here children, in greater than 500 and even numbers, one number is common. Which is the number? 728 is common in these two groups. So it will come here. Okay. Now the other numbers which are greater than 500, that is 531 and 901. കണ്ടോ അത് ഈ പോർഷനിൽ വന്നു. Now even numbers 260, 172 and 136. 260, 172 and 136. The number which is common in both groups is here, this portion. കണ്ടോ ഈ രണ്ട് സർക്കിളും ഇൻ്റർസെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന പോർഷനാണ് ഇത്. ഇവിടെയാണ് സെയിം നമ്പേഴ്സ് വരിക. ഓക്കെ. And the numbers which are not in these two groups, which are the numbers 285 and 483. കണ്ടോ these numbers will come outside this circle, 285 and 483. Okay. Let us do one more example. Put these 8 numbers in the correct places in these Venn diagrams. Here 8 numbers are given and the groups are prime. Prime means prime numbers. Okay. Prime numbers in a short akitana prime nu parayan. Then the second group is factors of 30. Let us classify the number. First check 25. 25 is not a prime number. You already learned about prime numbers. Prime numbers have only 2 factors. Next 11 prime number, 7 prime number, 2 prime number, 10 is not a prime number, 16 not a prime number, 9 not a prime number, 30 not a prime number. Because these numbers have more than 2 factors. ഇതിനെ എന്താ പറയുക? More than 2 factors ഉള്ളതിനെ composite numbers. അല്ലേ? So which are the prime numbers here? 11, 7 and 2. Okay. Now find out factors of 30. First write the factors of 30. 30 is equal to 1 into 30 and 2 into 15. 30 is equal to 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30. Then 30 is equal to 5 into 6. So the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These are factors of 30. Okay. Write in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to biggest. Okay. Now find out the factors of 30 from here. 25 is not a factor of 30. 11 is not a factor of 30. 7 is not a factor of 30. 2 is a factor of 30. 10 is a factor of 30. 16 is not a factor of 30. 9 is not a factor of 30. 30 is a factor of 30. Okay. Children, 30 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 factors. But we are classifying the factors of 30 from the given numbers. Okay. So the factors of 30 from these numbers are 2, 10 and 30. Okay. Now which are the numbers that are not in these two groups? ഈ രണ്ട് ഗ്രൂപ്പിലും ഇല്ലാത്ത നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? 25. ഓക്കെ, 25 രണ്ട് ഗ്രൂപ്പിലും ഇല്ല. Then 16 and 9. These three numbers are not in these two groups. Now let us write these numbers in the Venn diagram. Children, here one number is common in two groups, that is 2. 2 is common in both, so we can write 2 here. Okay, 2 ne nammal middle portion il ezhuthi. Then write other prime numbers in the first circle, that is 11 and 7, and the other two numbers in factors of 30, 10 and 30, that you can write in the second circle. Then outside the circle, the numbers which are not in these two groups, which are the numbers 25, 16 and 9 are outside the circles. Okay. So children, here we classify the given numbers into prime and factors of 30. Now next question is, this question is homework for you, so listen it carefully. Here there are three groups: square numbers, prime numbers and even numbers. The numbers given are 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. 5 groups. 5 numbers. Okay. So first you find out the square numbers, prime numbers and even numbers from these 5 numbers. Okay. So you can sort the numbers as square, prime and even numbers. And the oval shape represent, this is oval shape, represent even numbers, and this portion represents the numbers which is common in both, that is in square numbers and even numbers. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ രണ്ടിലും കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് നമ്പർ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളത് ഈ പോർഷനിൽ എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് പോർഷൻ റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ദ നമ്പേഴ്സ് വിച്ച് ആർ കോമൺ ഇൻ പ്രൈം ആൻഡ് ഈവൺ. പ്രൈമിലും ഈവണും കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് ഏതെങ്കിലും നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ഈ പോർഷനിൽ എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് പോർഷൻ റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ദ ഈവൺ നമ്പേഴ്സ് and this portion represent only square numbers and this portion represents only prime numbers. Okay, and outside these shapes represent the numbers which are not in these two groups. Which are the groups? Square numbers, prime numbers and even numbers. Okay, this is homework for you. Okay, so do it correctly, children. So today you learned about Venn diagram. Venn diagram is a way of classifying groups of objects with the same property. A Venn diagram has 2 or 3 circles that intersect each other. Intersect means they will meet. Circles meet ചെയ്യുന്ന പോർഷനെയാണ് എന്ത് പറയുക? ഇൻ്റർസെക്റ്റ്. കണ്ടോ, ഇതാണ് ഇൻ്റർസെക്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇത് രണ്ടും കൂട്ടിമുട്ടുന്ന ഭാഗം. ദിസ് ഈസ് ഇൻ്റർസെക്റ്റ്. ആ ഇൻ്റർസെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന പോർഷനിൽ ഏത് നമ്പേഴ്സാണ് വരിക? ദ നമ്പേഴ്സ് വിച്ച് ആർ കോമൺ in the two groups. Okay, and outside the circle the numbers which are not in these groups. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you, children.